Hey there! Are you ready to dive into some game-changing tips for modernizing industry? Today, I'm going to break down a few strategies that can seriously shake things up in the world of industrial technology. These tips are not only eco-friendly, but also super practical. So let's get started. First up, adopting circular economy principles. Imagine a world where products are designed for longevity, repair, and recyclability. Instead of a take, make, dispose model, we shift to make, use, return. This means creating products that can be easily repaired or recycled, minimizing waste and maximizing value. Think of it as giving products a second, third, or even fourth life. Next, investing in advanced materials. Sustainable and high-performance materials are the future. We're talking about materials that are not only eco-friendly but also durable and efficient. By incorporating these into production, we can reduce environmental impact while enhancing product performance. It's a win-win. Third, implementing energy-efficient technologies. Upgrading to renewable energy sources and optimizing energy use is a game-changer. Imagine factories powered by solar or wind energy with systems in place to ensure not a single watt is wasted. This not only cuts down on energy costs, but also significantly reduces carbon footprints. Now let's talk about embracing automation and AI. Smart technologies can streamline processes and reduce waste. Automation can handle repetitive tasks with precision, while AI can optimize production lines, predict maintenance needs, and even suggest improvements. The result? More efficient operations and less waste. Promoting industrial symbiosis is another fantastic strategy. This is all about sharing resources and waste between industries. Think of it as industries working together in a symbiotic relationship. One industry's waste becomes another's resource, creating a closed-loop system that benefits everyone involved. It's collaboration at its finest. Finally, enhancing waste management. Improving sorting and recycling systems within production can make a huge difference. By ensuring that materials are properly sorted and recycled, we can minimize the amount of waste that ends up in landfills. Plus, this can often lead to cost savings in the long run. So there you have it. Simple yet powerful strategies to modernize industry while keeping our planet in mind. Whether it's adopting circular economy principles, investing in advanced materials, implementing energy-efficient technologies, embracing automation and AI, promoting industrial symbiosis, or enhancing waste management, each step makes a difference. Let's work together to create a sustainable and innovative future. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eco-conscious content. Until next time, stay green and keep innovating.